damaging winds, showers, thunderstorms and rain areas to impact parts of WA today. Now, first off, severe weather warnings are current for damaging winds from Perth all the way down to Albany and including all the towns in between. Now, if you live in this yellow highlighted area, that means we could see winds gust at or above 90 kilometres an hour, and that's enough to bring down trees and power lines and even cause some property damage, particularly for those right on the coast and with any of our shower or thunderstorm activity. But let's have a look at the system that is bringing that. So we can see a cold front approaching the coast. Should already be impacting the Capes or about to early this afternoon. And it'll move through the Perth metropolitan area as we get into the afternoon and evening hours with a band of rain, thunderstorms as well, and strong and gusty winds. Then that rain band will sweep through the rest of southwestern WA. And then we'll see a band of rain north of that move in through northern parts of the Wheatbelt and then get into the Kalgoorlie area as we get into the early hours of Wednesday morning. It is a quick moving front, and on Wednesday we're likely to see widespread showers with isolated hail, thunder, gusty winds and much colder temperatures through large parts of the southwest WA. But by Wednesday night, this system should have moved into South Australia. But of most concern is our winds, and we can see that here in more detail. What we're looking at here is winds about 1,500 metres above the surface. That gives us an idea of how much wind is above the surface that could mix down with those strong and gusty showers and thunderstorms. Now, looking at some of these red and purple areas, you can see some of the winds approaching 100 to 120 kilometres an hour, particularly around the southwest Capes and the southwest parts of WA. Now, that means any shower or storm could bring down those winds, and that's why we do have that warning for severe damaging winds for this part of the country. But as we move through the rest of today and into tonight, you'll see those winds quickly diminish with light to moderate winds developing by tonight. And then finally, as it's a quick moving system, total rainfall is going to be fairly light for inland areas, apart from that rain band that's going to form for the northern parts of the Wheatbelt, with the heaviest falls likely located through coastal parts of Perth down to Bunbury and around to Albany, but lighter falls likely for inland parts of the Wheatbelt. So if you live in this area or know someone that does, remember to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services, particularly for those right on the coast.